Good morning, students. Now in this video I'll be discussing further on the topic operators. In the previous videos I have discussed the classification of different kinds of operator. We are already discussing about the types of token in your Java. Okay, token, the what was token? The smallest individual unit in a program. Okay, now we're discussing about operators. Now there is a term which is related in operator, that is a priority table. The next topic we are discussing is priority table. Okay, it is also called as hierarchy of operators. So what is priority table? The definition of priority table is what? So the order in which the operators in an expression is executed. Okay, the order in which the operators in an expression is executed is called as the priority table or the hierarchy of operators. Okay, now you see, when this priority table is applicable in an expression, we can have, let's say, plus, minus, into, division, different type of terms in a single equation. Okay, so out of that, which will be executed, that we will be seeing. Okay, like we have in your maths called as a board mass rule. Here also we have certain rule that we will be applying is called as a priority table. That board mass which is applicable in maths. Now that little changes we have in Java, so that term is called as priority table, and what are the operators on which it is executed, the order I am going to write now. Okay, you can see here I have written some operators and their hierarchy, means the way how it will be executed in an expression. First of all, we follow is a board mass. As we know, brackets we solve first in math. Same way here, operators in our equation, if you see bracket first, we'll be solving brackets, then the plus minus, plus plus or minus minus, it has the same priority. The priority is that hierarchy 2. Okay, after bracket we solve for plus plus or minus minus. Into, division and modulus have the same priority. So unlike your board mass, in board mass if we get division first, we solve division. No, if multiplication is there, that will be solved later on in according to board mass. But in Java, what you have to do, into, division and your modulus, they have the same priority. Okay, it means in an expression, if we have into, division or modulus, it will get solved whichever comes first from left hand side in the expression. Like say, if we take an example, we need to calculate y equals to 5 into 2 divided by 10. What will happen here? We have to see multiplication is there, division is there, but if we follow maths rule, what you have to do is first we have to divide. But in Java, what you have to do, into and division, the priority is same, the priority is 3. Okay, so what will happen from left hand side, which is coming for multiplication is coming or division is coming? Multiplication is coming, so what will be y? Y will be equals to 10 by 2. So therefore the answer will be 5. 2 5 is 10. We know that in division we give the quotient part in the expression. Clear? So into, division or modulus, if you see together any expression, whichever come first from left hand side, that we will be solving first. Okay, all of you? Okay, understood. Now next one is plus minus. Plus or minus if we get, then the priority comes. So this way we have to solve. Then greater than equals to, less than equals to, all the priority I have written in the right hand side. Okay, at the last we follow, if you see double equal to, not equals to, then we have logical operators, we have relational operators, then logical operators. Okay, then after at the last we have shorthand operator, that you can see second last, that is shorthand operator. Clear? Then we shorthand operators, and then after at the last we have the assignment operator. Okay, so in an expression in this form we have to look for solving the given expression. Okay, in this order. This order is called as the way in which the order in which the operators in expression is executed is called as the priority table or your hierarchy of operators. Clear, all of you? Understood? See it properly. Now we'll see the next. We'll see about how to solve expressions if given using the priority table. Okay, clear? The question is given int x equals to 20 and y equals to 30. Two values, integer value taken x and y. Now p, how will you calculate to predict the value of p? P is given as in the bracket x plus plus into 2 plus y into 2 divided by 3. You know the bracket. Now you are going to the priority table. We know what to solve first. In the priority, do we have brackets first? Yes, we have brackets. So we will be seeing the bracket. Now inside the bracket, what we have? Plus plus we have. Yes. So that we are going to solve first. X plus plus means what? In x plus plus means first use then change. First use x value as 20 then change. So I use the value of x as 20 in the expression, then I have changed the value of x as 21, and then we return the equation. One by one we'll solve, okay? Don't get in a hurry. One by step we'll solve. Now in the brackets, two brackets you can see, either bracket you can solve, okay? Now 20 into 2 is how much? 40 plus y is how much? Y is 30. 30 into 2 divided by 3. So first, so we got 40 plus bracket 30 into 2 divided by 3. Now in this, what you solve? Again the second bracket. First bracket is solved, second bracket we have into and division together. They have the same priority, into and division have the priority as 3. So what you'll do, first from left hand side into is coming, so we'll multiply 30 into 2 is 60 by 3 will come. So 60 by 3 will give you 20. So 40 plus 20 is 60. Clear? This is how you solve this question based on the operators. Okay, few more we'll do now. Next one. Okay, next one is plus plus x plus y plus plus, in the bracket modulus 3 is given, x value 20 and y value 30 I have taken again. Now I can do the priority table. I have to solve the bracket first. In the bracket we have plus plus and y plus plus, again x plus plus x and y plus plus. So what will happen here is plus plus x means what? First change then use. Plus plus means first I have to increase. Okay, means 20 value will first change to 21. Okay, so we use y plus plus means first use. So y value is 30, so I used first 30, then I have increased it by 1, 31. Y value is changed to 31. Clear? And modulus 3. So you got 51 modulus 3. Now you know what to do. 51 you divide by 3 and check what is the remainder coming. So when I divide 51 by 3, the remainder coming is 0. So that is the answer. So final answer for P here is 0. Clear all of you? This is how you apply this operators. Okay, now next one I'll see question based on your relational operators, that is your greater than, less than, equal to, greater than, equal to, that type I will give now. Next one. The next one is given minus x plus y greater than equals to x plus y. Okay, this is given. We will check what will coming out. Now first of all, in the operators we know brackets, so to solve for inside the bracket we have minus x, that we need to solve first. Okay, you cannot solve the right side x plus y. Okay, don't put that, one step by step. So first I'll start solving minus x, that one. Okay, in that bracket portion. So what we'll have, what we'll get, minus x means first change, minus will decrease x value by 1, that will give you 19. So we get 19 plus y greater than equals to x plus y. Now observe carefully what we have to do. We have to solve the bracket 1, both the places same thing, plus we have to apply now, put the values of x and y. What is the value of x and y? X value is 19, y value is 30, that will be substituting now. So y value is substituted 30, x value is substituted 19. Okay, so both the places are getting 49. 49 greater than equals to 49. 49 is greater than 49. No, but 49 is equal to 49. Yes, so the answer will be true. How this greater than equals to work, I have told you before also. Okay, clear? So here greater than equal to will solve, will get answer as true. Clear all of you? So this is how a question based on relation operators are done. Okay, using a priority table. Understood? Clear or not? Next one we'll see. In the above question you can see, first of all we will solve brackets. Now inside brackets you see we have double equal to and minus less than signs. Now second priority we have to look for is minus here in this expression. So x double equal to remain as it is, we'll write that and go for solving x minus. X value was 20 and y value was 30. So therefore I wrote x double equal to y and x minus I have to solve first. So x value first I have to use, that is 20, then decrease the value by 1, that I have changed to 19. Less than y plus plus, y value is how much? 30, then it will increase by 1. So I use 30, then increase the y value by 1 in the expression. For all of you, now I have to apply x double equal to y. Okay, so x and y, are they same or not? Now next second line I have to use the value. Now I can use the value of x and y. Okay, first of all right side we can solve it. Okay, the relation operator you can see down equal, double equal to and less than above we have. So first you solve 20 less than 30 is how much? 20 less than 30, yes or no? Yes, true. So now 19 double equal to 31 and true. So 19 and 31 are the same? No, double equal to means it is an equality operator, it checks whether two values are same. Okay, so 19 and 31 are not same, so the answer will be false. So you got false and true. Okay, so we know what to do in AND operator. All the conditions should be true, then the result is true. So here 2 of 1 is false, so the answer will be false. Clear all of you? This is how you solve this question based on AND operator or OR operators. Okay, this is how you will solve it. How this AND and OR operator works I have discussed in the previous videos. You see, follow that, you will understand better. Clear all of you? Understood? So this is how you predict the values of P or whatever as arcs you can do. Okay, clear all of you? The last one we have left with is your plus equal to minus equal to. Now I will do that one now based on your shorthand operators. Okay, see the question now. Next one. Okay, the question is x into equals to x plus 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 minus minus y into 3. So we don't have brackets here. We have plus plus or minus minus in these expressions. Okay, that x into equals to the shorthand operator that we have the priority 13. Okay, it is in the priority 13 that will solve at the last. So first you start with your plus plus or minus minus. They have the same priority. From left hand side we have plus plus sign, so that I'll use x plus plus means what? First I will use the value of x as your 20, then I'll increase by 21. Minus minus y means first I will decrease the value by 1, then I'll use 30 or change 29, I'll use then this way getting. Now what is solve here? Plus and minus into we have. Now we know that we have to solve into first because it has a priority 3 and plus sign has a priority 4. So into 29 into 3 is how much? Now we get x into equals to 20 plus 87. 29 into 3 is 87. Then after x into equals to 107 we are getting. Now what you will do at the last is x equals to x into 107. So that is how the last line, that x into equals to, how this is how it is changed. Shorthand operators, I have discussed about shorthand operators in the previous video when I was discussing about operators. In the last videos I have discussed. So x equals to x into 107. Now what value are substituted here? The value of x which was previous or which was earlier before any changes been done. What was the value of x at the starting? Was 20. We will be using that, not 21, not the changed value. Okay, we have to use 20. So 20 into 107 you have to do. So therefore the final value of x is how much? 2140. Clear? This is how you solve this shorthand operators questions. Clear? Understood? These are some questions based on your priority table. Question comes in your board exam based on this. Okay, please understand it very nicely. Okay, thank you. See you in the next video.